How to pin a comment on TikTok. In this video, I'm gonna show you how you can simply pin a comment on TikTok. So you just have to follow these simple steps. Let's without further any ado, let's dive into this. So first of all, what we're gonna do is go into the Play Store and look or search for the TikTok application. Once there is that TikTok application, we'll tap on it and see if that application is updated or not, and if it's not, make sure that this application is updated because the newer features would be available on the previous version of the TikTok. So afterwards we're going to go and open up the TikTok application. Once we have opened the TikTok application, we are going to go into the profile, and to go into the profile you just have to tap on the profile icon that is at the right bottom corner of your screen. Once you tap over it, there's this video. Under this video there's this comment of very nice, and you see that it has been, so once you tap on it there's this very nice comment, and once it goes over there, so to just pin it you just have to tap on it and this dialog box appears. Once this dialog box appears, you just have to choose for an option that says pin comment, so you can simply go and tap on that option. Once you do that, so you see that the comment has been pinned. So this comment will be here every time when you open the comments section. So this is how you comment or pin a comment on TikTok. I hope this video was informative and you liked it. Don't forget to hit that bell icon and don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. And if you guys have any query or question, just comment down below. I would love to answer that. Till next time, peace.